Hey everybody, it's Matthew from Upright Health. In today's video, we're going to talk about the importance of mindset and how people will try to rob you of your independence. So one of the big things that comes up in conversations I have with new clients is a fear of doing motions that may be uncomfortable. And this is a fear that comes up as a result of mental training that has been done over the course of many years, from conversations with doctors, from conversations with chiropractors, massage therapists, everybody who's really well-intentioned in trying to help is basically saying that more motion is going to lead to more problems. And I want to highlight this because this is a pervasive belief that causes a lot of fear that ends up in a very predictable outcome. So I want to try to summarize this in a way and frame this in a way that makes it really clear. A lot of us go to doctors and say, hey, I have a problem moving something, right? Either my back doesn't move right, my hips don't move right, I can't raise my arm properly, the shoulder's not functioning right. And what'll happen is we'll be told that the reason that we are losing that independence, the reason we're losing that control, is because we've already used it too much. And so you have to realize then that the solution from that point forward generally is going to be stop moving this thing that you've already moved too much. Whether it's stated explicitly or not, the reality is resting doesn't mean you're going to get something to feel better. And many times rest actually makes things feel worse. That's a story that I know very well personally, and I've seen it with a lot of people that I've worked with. So this is a hard thing to overcome because you have to be willing to take some risks, perceived risks. While some doctors will tell you, oh, if you move your joint like that, you're going to wreck it. If you try to do that motion, if you squat deep, you're going to destroy your hips and you'll need a hip replacement. Those pieces of advice are well-intentioned, but I think ultimately misguided, just from the basic perspective that there is no way a locking down and freezing of your joint is ever going to restore the function that you want. And at this point, we've heard this story so many times. You can check out other people's stories about similar situations shared on this channel and through various testimonials on the Upright Health website. But basically, the takeaway is you need to move in order to be able to move. And any other strategy is literally doomed to failure. And so rather than taking that frustrating road, I really suggest you take the other road. Have a little faith, gradually move your body in different ways, in different directions, and learn to get your body comfortable doing that. And then please remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.
Woo-hoo!